The Avamix BX Series blenders are ideal for keeping up with your busy commercial operations and reducing manual food prep. You can use these to create popular drink orders or blend soups and sauces. These powerful machines operate with a 3.5 horsepower, 1800 watt motor that reaches speeds of up to 26,000 RPM. The stainless steel blades easily crush large ingredients and ice, while the blending power ensures product consistency. Each unit comes with a durable Bpa-Free Triton jar in 48 or 64 ounce sizes. Jars are also available in stainless steel and different color options. They feature a two-piece lid design that lets you add ingredients at any stage in the blending process with the included tamper. The Avamix BX Series offers 5 different models. The blenders have easy-to-use controls like toggle, variable speed, keypad, digital touchpad, or programmable control. They have multiple speed settings, a pulse switch, and some models feature a timer for complete user control. Durable and reliable, these commercial blenders power through tough ingredients with quick and consistent results.